chicken shit.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Brenda. So today's Saturday. It is about 2:30. So hubby and I have finally gotten out. We have the boat behind us. So we're going to take it to the river. Well, we're actually trying to get into the we're going to take it out and see what it'll do. It's supposed to be working fine now. My husband had the, one of the guys help him fix it. So we're supposed to be able to get out on this boat today and just see what it's going to do. Prayerfully, everything is good. It's cranking up on the dime. It's idled right. Everything is going great. So we're going to see, because most of the time, for the last couple of times, every time we take this boat out, when we get to the river, something always happens. So we're prayerful that this time when we get to the boat ramp, we won't have any issues. So I'm going to pull you all back up once we get there so I can bring you along with us for our little adventure. Okay? Stay tuned. All right, guys. So we have made it to the, let me take the seatbelt off. We made it to the boat ramp. So now my husband is back there trying to get everything set up so we can get ready to back in, put our boat in. I don't know how we're going to do this because I can't back up no boat trailer. So we're going to try it and see. All right, y'all. Tell me why we here at the boat ramp. We done backed the boat down in there. This man just realized he forgot to put the drain plug in. I am so sick of Patrick with this boat. Y'all just don't know. I would love for him to get this thing fixed so he can use it and quit all this him. Because this is embarrassing. All right, y'all. We on our little boat, y'all. We riding finally. It took us about a year. We going. No, this is 95, y'all. We going under 95. On the front of the boat, sit right here and cross my legs and enjoy the view. How you feel to be the captain of your boat? We are fishing. Well, we came out here, y'all, right off from Love's Seafood. So now we're heading on back. And I think we're getting ready to go back to the truck. We're going to park right here. So we're going to pull up to the side and tie it off. Okay. Huh? Well, we learning it, y'all. We learning it. Trial and error. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Brenda. So today is Sunday. So I'm up. Hubby is getting ready to head out to go to work. Bells and I have some running around to do. So I have a nail appointment today. So I got to go get my nails redone today. They held up pretty good. So I'm going to go and get my nails redone this morning as soon as they open. And then when I get back, then I got to take Bells to the vet, because I always take her to the Tractor Supply vet. So that she can get her shots, because we're going to be boarding her when we go out of town for the wedding. But I do need to get her shots because it's a new year, so it's time for her rabies shots and all of that. And then this morning I also got to cut her toenails, which they'll probably do it up there, but I'm going to do it myself because I don't want them to aggravate her. And then I'm going to be taking her by myself. Hubby's heading out, so I pray she acts all right. So we shall see. So I'm going to bring you all along with us for that. So stay tuned. So I'm sitting here. I've already gone out this morning. So I told you I was going out to get my nails done. So I went and got my nails done. So this is what I got. So pretty, so pretty. So now I'm just sitting here waiting because next I got to go back out because I got to take Bella to get her shots because it is time. So it's that time of year for her annual shots. So I got to run back out and take her. So I think they'll be up there between 3 and 5. Can take her on up there, get her shots. And then she and I are coming on back home because tomorrow is a work day. So I work tomorrow and Tuesday. I think I'm taking Wednesday off and then we off Friday. So that's going to be good. So anyway, I will pull you all back up. Okay, stay tuned. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Brenda. So it is Friday morning. It is about 7:40. So hubby and I are getting ready to take the boat out for a couple of hours, see what we can get into. My daughter is coming today, but she has her key and everything, so she can get in. This weekend is my granddaughter's birthday, so we're going to be doing a small little gathering here at the house for her. Hopefully the weather will work for us. It looks like it's going to rain to me. I don't think we should go on the boat, but hubby is determined to go. So we're going to go, but I think it's going to rain, but we're going to go out and see anyway. I know he's been wanting to get on his boat. We finally got it fixed, running right. And so of course he wants to take it out because he works a lot and he's not home a lot. And when he's home, I know he wants to be on that boat. So that's what we're getting ready to do. We haven't had breakfast yet. So I got my coffee and I think I need to pack my, let's see. I need to pack my, make sure I go get my vitamins. Hold on, y'all. I need to make sure I get my vitamins, pack those, so that I can take that. Or if I don't take them with me, just as long as I remember to take them. So yeah, so other than that, we are not doing anything today. It's going to be a chill day. So I want to get on the boat. And when we get back, we're going to probably do some fish and shrimp, maybe, for today. And then tomorrow we're going to fire up the Hogzilla in the back, the big smoker. And we're going to grill out and, you know, kind of try and do something for the granddaughter, for my grandbaby. So anyway, I will pull you all back up when we get on the road and we're heading out, okay? All right, guys, we have made it to the boat ramp. So my husband went in to get the shrimp, and now we're going to get ready to take our boat on out here. And the weather is cloudy, so we have some overcast, so that might help with the sun. And preferably, it won't be too hot on me because I didn't bring a hat or anything, but I did bring a towel. So yeah, so that's what we're going to do. And I will probably pull you all back up once we get actually on the boat and get it out in the water, okay? Stay tuned.
Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull a drop top out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low. But I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Wow, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it. You can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared for it. Instead of love out loud since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, meet me. Timing's right, so right. Our romance to be can't deny. Love the things we do when it's just us two. But tonight, baby, meet me outside. Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. I'm a good catch, but I never let him catch me. No, I never let him claim me. Wild thing try to tame me, but you got my mood on sunshine. Let's take a trip, souls on big smile. Let's hit the
just heading back. I went and got my hair done today because I don't know if I shared with you all, but my daughter's wedding is next Saturday, a week out. And I went ahead and got my hair done because during the week I work and I'm not able to go and get it done during the week. So I wanted to go ahead and get my hair done today. So I tried to get her to do it in an up style. So the only part that my head is going to be hanging is this right here. So she put these pipe cleaners in it, and I'm able to wear it out just like this, and it still looks nice. And then I'll probably take it out about Thursday, so my hair can start dropping for the wedding Friday. For the wedding Saturday. But at least when I'm at work next week, my hair will still look nice in this style. So yeah, I'll show you what it all looks like once I get home. But right now, I'm just heading back to the house. I am so tired. I have been running this entire week. I've been getting up early this whole week, and I'm just tired. I really just want to get somewhere and lay down and go to sleep. I'm so tired. Hubby wanted to get on the boat, but there's something going on with his trim in the back, and low-key I am glad because I don't want to get on the boat today. I'm tired. I've been running this whole week. I've been getting up at 5 a.m. every morning, and it's been a lot. I've been running, and I'm tired. Got up this morning again I think I got up at 6 this morning. Hair appointment was at 8:30 because I really wanted to go on down there and get my hair done and come on back. Still ended up being down there half the day because, I had to get my hair washed. She had to do the interlocking and then go back and style it. So, and this here took some time, but it looks so pretty. I'll show you when I get home. But anyway, I'll pull you all back up when I get to the house. Tomorrow is Sunday. So when I get home, I'm probably going to put a load of clothes in the machine. And then I'm going to go and get, tomorrow I plan on going out and get my nails done because they need to be done. Because these nails here I have are old. They're like, has it been a month already? I think it's been almost a month because they've grown out quite a bit. So yeah, it's been about, I want to say a month. I'll have to go back and look when I got it done. But yeah, so it's time for my nails to get done, and the style I'm getting is for the wedding. So I'll probably run out tomorrow and get my nails done. So I'll probably go to work Wednesday morning. I'll work until about 1:45. I'll leave the job at 1:45. Come back, and then we'll be packing our bags to head out for my daughter's wedding. So I would definitely be bringing you all along for that. I'm going to try and record as much as I can, as much as she allows. But even though the things that I don't record of her, this is like a little time for my hubby and I to get out and do something together. So I'll record what we're going to be getting into. So anyway, I'm going to cut this off and I'll pull you all back up when I get to the house, okay? Stay tuned. So I've already gotten myself back home. I told you I was going to show you my hair. So let me do this first. I really want to get this grease off of me. I feel greasy. You know, you get your hair done and it's greasy. And so, let me wipe my face off. Yeah, I want to get this stuff off my face. Ooh, I hair tight. Ooh, it's tight. But it'll do, okay. All right, so anyway, I went out today, got my hair done. So I wanted a updo because my hair gets so hot. So this is what she did. This is what it looks like. It's pulling a little bit because it's just freshly done. It's hot, it's tight. But yeah, overall, I think it's gonna look real pretty. And I think it's going to hold up very nicely. The top, she has it looking like this. So I'm pleased with my hair. I ain't gonna tell you no lie. So what I'm gonna do, I'll keep it, what do you call these? Pipe cleaners. I'll keep these in until probably like Wednesday or maybe Friday morning. I may take them out because I do want my hair to drop a little bit for the wedding. But yeah, so that's what I'll probably do. But anyway, I'm here. I'm getting ready to go downstairs and start working on some ribeyes for dinner because I'm hungry. My husband is hungry. My son is hungry. So I'm going to go down there and cook some dinner, and then I'll pull you all back up in a bit. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Brenda. Today is Sunday. So I'm sitting here waiting. I'm getting ready to go and get my nails done. This is the weekend for my daughter's wedding, or the week leading up to my daughter's wedding. So I've already got my hair done. This is the style I have. But right now I'm getting ready to go out and get my nails redone for the wedding. I do have a style that I want to try. And I'm going to get my feet done as well. So I may bring you all along. If not, I'll pull you back up in a little bit. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Brenda. So today is Monday, and I'm getting ready to get my week started, y'all. I got up late. I didn't even make my bed this morning, but it will be okay. So what I'm getting ready to do now, Bells and I getting ready to head downstairs. I gotta go, I think my purse is already downstairs. Let me get my ring and get my water. But yeah, so I got this is the week leading up to my daughter's wedding. So I'm excited for that. So we're gonna be in Orlando. So I had to go out yesterday. I went and got my nails done. This is what I got for the wedding. It matches my dress perfectly. So yeah. So anyway, let me grab Bells, grab my water bottle, and then I gotta go downstairs and make my yogurt, and then I'll pull you back up.